Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Resell Rights Riches, which launched on the 28th of May at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent product from Robert Corrigan and Barry Joyce, which actually deals with the lucrative market, relatively little known actually, this method, of selling resale rights packages on eBay. Yeah, so obviously you're familiar with private label rights and resale rights of products. We come across it all the time in our business and our industry, but there's a very popular niche which is selling these resale rights as items on eBay auctions, and it's actually very effective. Obviously it's something that you can do for very little money. Often the stuff that you're selling you can actually get free of charge anyway, and although it's not like a £1 million business, it is something that you can very easily earn hundreds or even a four-figure income with every month. Now, Robert and Barry have been doing this for some considerable time. They're really the experts in this particular form of marketing, and they've put together a very good course which I commend to you. And so if this sounds like it's something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. This comes into the growing number of courses and techniques which I'm collectively calling the left field method for Elite Tigers Group members. As I've been saying all year, the need is to get away as much as possible from the make money online niche and into other areas which are not as exposed to payment processor problems. And so the more left field techniques you can have, the more different little pockets of income coming from here, there and everywhere, it all adds up to a very considerable sum. Now, I've put together 5 custom bonuses if you decide to pick up resale rights riches from the link immediately underneath this review video to get them, and they are all things that deal with either this method or other forms of left field income sources. Then you need to click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Excuse me. Now, I don't want that to happen, obviously, because as I've said, they're custom bonuses, which means that they are exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to see what others are offering with their copies of Resell Rights Riches, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and more likely to help you succeed in building up additional income streams than what anyone else is offering. So let's head over to the sales page. Are you sick and tired of not making any money online? Are you struggling to build an online business and trying to find a profitable niche or niche? Then let us reveal to you the complete system that we use to generate an online income each and every month. So we've got the usual sort of story that you find on sales pages, and I could write this book, folks, and indeed I have. If you've ever read the Epic Guide to 100K, which is a book I've written for one of my websites, you will know my background, that I started, like nearly every successful marketer seems to have started, with abject failure during their first 2 years online. And you'll be pleased to know that Robert and Barry are no exception. They also wasted loads of money and lost loads of money. So I think it's a sort of rites of passage thing, isn't it? I don't know anyone who's ever sort of gone online and it's just gone, oh yeah, I can do this, I'm making money straight away. You know, I don't think I've ever met anyone that's in that category. I suppose there must be one somewhere, but anyway, so the turning point was when they started working with resale rights products and selling them on eBay. So that is where the idea for resale rights came in. And what sort of things are they selling? So software, audios, videos, ebook collections, websites, by that we mean domain flipping, plugins, training courses, and much, much more. So learn how to exploit resale rights products to take your business to the next level the easy way. The simple to use methods of how to research the Pinterest marketplace to find hot selling product niches to exploit. Inside, we show you the complete resale rights marketplace and how to easily research the best niches to find products to build your own portfolio to promote and sell on eBay. All right. The second thing is the quick and easy way to start using eBay like a pro. Watch the series of over-the-shoulder video training from an eBay top-rated seller that takes you from a marketing newbie to trading like a pro in no time. And then watch how to effectively build and promote your resale rights empire. Simply watch, apply and profit. Watch how to list products on eBay and how to use eBay's own tools. Learn the most simple and effective ways to list any products on eBay. So even if you have not been on eBay before, there are quite a few people out there I know that have actually never used eBay, funnily enough. I've used it myself. I used to run a drop shipping business, so I sort of know eBay a bit inside out. But the best thing to do is, even if you think that you do know eBay inside out, then do watch all of the training videos. Is this fine though if you're a complete eBay newbie? Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely it is. And there's a bonus, actually. One of the bonuses actually will cover this off for you if you are brand new to eBay. All right, I'm going to, before we finish off this sales page, I'm just going to go through and show you custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath the page, you'll come through to this video here. This is just the key points of Resell Rights Riches. It's easy to operate. It costs pennies to run. There's a massive market. There's thousands of products to choose from. It's completely newbie friendly. You can add a new stream of income to your business. This is the key one for the Tigers, folks. Anyone can run this business. And I've done a video here that I've taken off of the members area just to show you around it, folks. So just watch this. It's 2 minutes. Obviously this is what you will see when you've purchased the product, but I just wanted to show you the members.
Hi, Rob Corrigan here, and on behalf of myself and Barry Joyce, we'd like to first of all thank you for investing in Resell Rights Riches and extend a very warm welcome to the Easy Auction Income family. And I just want to do a little bit of housekeeping here to show you exactly where it is that you can access your course materials. Now, if we look upon...
All right, so I'll let you watch that, folks. So they'll take you all around the site and show you the nature of the training, where everything is. You can register for their free Facebook group, etc., and get some more additional help there and access your bonuses from the vendor, which we'll come on to in a minute. Okay, so my custom bonuses. So firstly, I'm going to give you a couple of other ways that you can profit using eBay at the same time as you're using Resell Rights Riches. The first thing is this masterclass on how to drop ship on eBay with AliExpress. This is a really good masterclass, about an hour and a half long. I would say it's worth the cost of this course alone for this masterclass. The second thing I'm going to do is throw in this expired domains masterclass. Selling expired domains by auction is something you absolutely could do on eBay. And this is another hour and a half long masterclass that will teach you how to work with expired domains. Domain flipping can be a very lucrative side business, folks. The third thing that I'm going to show, now, one of the techniques on the upsell is actually selling printable items. Well, this is a standalone course called Printly, which shows you exactly how you can use free traffic to sell printables online. And it only takes about 20 minutes to set up once you finish the course. So a really, really good course here from Ike Paz that I recommend to you. The fourth bonus, again, is something that you could use on eBay. This is the Raken system, and this is selling vintage clothing, again, acquired cheaply and sold for very high amounts. Absolutely, this method will work on eBay, and this is a really great standalone course. So I hope you can see I'm adding loads of value here, folks. And finally, another thing closely related to this, we talked about ebooks. So this is 5K publishing paydays. This is making money selling info products that are using other people's content to make money on either Amazon or Kindle, or you could just as easily work this on eBay as well. So really good left field techniques for making additional money here that I've stacked on as the bonuses, and I hope that that will tempt you to buy from my link. So let's just head over to that sales page and wrap things up here. We want to go through the exclusive bonuses that you will get. So the Quick Start eBay video training series to get you started today. So this is the course that I was saying that is for newbies, or for those that know very little about eBay. It's a complete training series on how to get the best out of eBay for newbies and experienced eBayers alike. So that is the first vendor's bonus. The second bonus is something called GIMP training, which is a complete set of training videos for GIMP, PicMonkey, and Paint.net that show you how to take a good image and produce a great product image to use in your eBay and other listings. And the third bonus is produce great images using free programs, how to make your eBay listings look awesome. And you will get that inside the Facebook group. All right, so what you will get with all of this is a secure members area, premium training by an eBay top-rated seller, exclusive content, a dedicated support desk, guidance at every step of the way, and you can get started within minutes. So it really is, as you can see here, a complete step-by-step training, all videos training. 30-day money-back guarantee, risk-free. Ask for 100% refund at any time during the 30 days. So if you get, you can get up and running, try this out on eBay for 2 or 3 weeks, and if you're still not happy, you can get your money back. And it's going to cost you just $17 on the front end, folks. There's Rob and Barry. Okay, let's have a quick look at the funnel. It's a very short funnel, folks. It's basically one upsell and one downsell. So the upsell, which I recommend that you do take, is the Easy Auction Income Suite. And it's 3 different business plans to build your online empire. So you've got one here, which is, again, it's working with a form of printables, one working with CDs, and one working with a different method. And there's a downsell as well, where they will remove the printable one. So if you're not too worried about that, you can have it for $27 for the 2 upsells. But I would recommend that you take the whole of the Easy Auction Income Suite. And that is really it, folks. I suppose it's one of those does what it says on the tin type methods. We know what we're talking about. We just need to know where to source the material. All the training is going to be provided, and how to sell it on eBay, and how to get the best prices for it. And that is all covered. So as I said, to get these custom bonuses, all you need to do is click on the green button there. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Buy Now, and then that will bring you back into your members area at Warrior Plus. So just click on the green button there to access your purchase, and the blue button to access my bonuses. So that's it, folks. All that remains, as ever, is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. Thanks again. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Resell Rights Riches.